This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, Manju.
Hello, everyone. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Amelia.
Very good afternoon. Good
Thank
evening.
you. I request.
Good afternoon.
Good evening. Good evening. Good afternoon. I think many people have in different places, different people.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you. I request you to all of you.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon. Request you to mute yourself unless this presentation completes. Don't enable your video. And there is a chat option, chat box. I request all of you leave your questions. So we will answer all of your questions post presentation, and we will have as much as possible, much discussion on the same. So from here, I think I can once again say welcome to this Cloud Call Center webinar. So let me start from here. I hope you all are at home in quarantine from last 30 days. I can see many of people who are running a business, many of people who are here who want to do a business selling a telecommunication product. There are many people who are looking for a solutions to run their business, sit at home. At the end of the day, everybody need something to happen on this lockdown period. So when it comes to telecommunication, it is a very much important thing for all the businesses. Without this, you cannot survive. Now we are in a situation where you need a telecommunication, even you can run your business sitting at home without any difficulties. You can manage your all the telecommunication needs. I mean, this is not the first time that we are talking about that Aztecs is making a cloud. There are a lot of cloud-based solutions that are available. Now, Aztecs is also introduced contact center solution on the cloud, which makes you work from home completely easier. Today, I'm going to talk about this. What is the cloud call center is all about? How does this architecture diagram will make the connectivity? What are the features, functionalities which provide this, and how these unmatched features which can make your business better. I have a couple of a video link which I can show you how the product works. I have a few screenshots that how does that our dashboards look like, real-time monitorings look like, how does it our reports look like, how the analytics can be made, and finally what exactly that you take away from this webinar, and just to talk about what is Astix is all about. So many of the people who are looking for a cloud call center, I mean, few people knows about this, what exactly cloud call center is. I request please mute yourself, which is actually coming noise behind. So call center completely on cloud. So you'll get the complete solution that however you have one typically in-house based call center, we can provide you the complete call center solution over a cloud, which you will also get that inbound option and the outbound option. Earlier, there are many people used to talk about it that domestic call center cloud cannot be happen in India, but yeah, it is definitely possible. In India, you can do call center, I mean, you can run a call center over a cloud using a PSTN lines. You can use all advanced features and functionalities, which however you runs over in-house solution. And this is very flexible and scalable. And most important is people looks for integration of the third-party tools like CRM, ERP, and many more things that we can discuss. Easy for configuration and management, where everything over cloud, you just log into the PC, you can access everything. Reduce overhead cost and improve your ROI. And the most important is work from home made easy. So to going further, what is exactly happening in the market as of now? See, from last 35 days, there is no any businesses are happening where you normally that however you go to your offices, run your business, even the call centers, even the BPOs, even the IT sectors, or any industry, people are not making any kind of a business. But still, there are certain people who are using few products over a cloud where they can manage to have calls. Just to tell that because of the coronavirus, that business has come down. When we are in this telecom industry, and when we provide this call center solution on a premise based, I just wanted to tell you that how many people, different kind of a call center, we have in the country. There are 0 to a 30 seater. We are covered up almost 32%. There are 32% of the companies who have 0 to 30 seater. This it will come 5 seater, 2 seater, 10 seater, 20 seater, 25 seater, 30 seaters and everything. And there are second level people where there are 30 to 50 seaters people who runs over. There are 50 to 100 seats, 100 to 200 seats, 200 to 400 seats, and 400 to 1000 seats. See, anything above 200 seats, you can see the percentage is also very less. 1000 seaters and all, you can say maybe a 3.1%. On this particular situation, how your people would like to adopt this work from home? There are many people says that okay, I definitely need a cloud solution. Okay, people say yes, I'm already deployed. Around 27% of the people say that yeah, they're already in a cloud. There are people who are still looking for yes, I'm in a pilot version. Maybe let me start with maybe 2 seater, 3 seater or something. If this is work out, definitely maybe I can go for it. Some people say, no, we are considering it, maybe we are planning it. And there are 42% of the people, they still thinks that, how can I run business over a cloud? I think this webinar will give you more information on that. You can also go and talk to your customers, or explain to the people who are not doing any business. They can still run a business over telecalling, to sell their product, to provide their services, to do a booking, do a delivery, or whatever that you want to do a business over a phone. Cloud call center will definitely help you at this particular time. I can say there are multiple business. When it comes to call center, the most of the things comes into the mind is, there are people who sell the credit cards. There are people who sell the SIM cards. There are people who deliver the products. Whenever I book online something, these people will call, right? So how many calls that you have received from last 30 days? Not much. Maybe I can say, I'm a presenter. What I would like to say is that probably I have received around 10 calls from last 35 days. Somebody has called me saying that, sir, would you like to take some insurance? Or because of this COVID, even if you join to the hospital, maybe the your insurance will pay you money. I mean, that was one of the best way to where you can sell your insurance. And there are people who are calling me saying that, sir, do you have a Wi-Fi at home? If you don't have a Wi-Fi, sir, I can give you my Airtel dongle or Reliance dongle, which can give you complete internet, where you wanted to sit at home and you wanted to make work from home. See, these are the kind of calls which I got very recently, which means that's the way where you can do it. I mean, in the last page also I have mentioned that there are still people who are thinking that in India, is it possible that maybe we can go for a cloud? Absolutely, you can utilize cloud call center for domestic calling. It is absolutely possible. There is no doubt. If you have any question, please leave a question. We will definitely answer your questions that how does it works. So in continue the same. So I can move forward to show that how basically in cloud call center calls might get land. Maybe I can take my cursor to start from on my left hand side. The person who look at any of the number which you have displayed to receive a call. The person can call to that particular number. This number can be a mobile number. This number can be a landline number. This number can be a toll-free number. I mean, these numbers are available from any of your network provider, from the Vodafone to a Tata, BSNL to Jio, Idea to Vodafone. Anybody can provide you this number, or you can tell us. I mean, wherever you are buying from, a cloud center, you can get this DID numbers from the cloud solution. Astix also provide the same. When customer makes the call will land it to a cloud center. From cloud center, you can run an IVR. Maybe you can run an IVR based on your business related things. Maybe you wanted to have some sales related queries. You can press 1. If you support related query, press 2. You have a booking related query, press 3. The moment you choose that IVR, another call will actually land to the agent who's sitting at any place, whether it is in a coffee shop, whether it is at a home, whether it is in a temple. You tell wherever that person is sitting. He can receive a call and he can talk to you at any point of time. In the same way, it is also available for an outbound. Even person who are sitting at home, who you would like to make an outbound call, they can directly log into a cloud server. They can log into a particular agent page. They can make a call over an application. That I will show you how does it exactly works, and what are the things also that you require to make this cloud call center. Going further in my slides. So what is this cloud call center will be used for? This will be used for more on sales calls, any related to sales calls, maybe any related to outbound. I know that many of the customers also in this webinar, many of the business people also in this webinar, maybe I would really like to say is that in whatever the business that you are in related to the screens which I have mentioned over here for an inbound and outbound, this will work. Whether it's a sales call, whether it's a lead generation, whether it's a follow-up calls, or it's a debt collection, or any of your appointment booking, or the customer services, or maybe you wanted to cross-sell or upselling of your products, even to the service and marketing research, definitely this cloud call center will work you. Okay. Other inbound and outbound campaigns also that you can run at any point of time, not only one particular campaign or something. The cloud call center will allow you to work multiple campaigns at any point of time. Multiple campaigns at any point of time, it will support you to work on. So any related to this question also, maybe you can just leave it over a chat, maybe we will discuss into it. Now when it comes to an Aztecs cloud call center, we have outbound call center as well, we have inbound call center as well. So what are the features, functionalities that you are looking for? Into the competition, maybe I can say there are many competitors there in the outside. As of now, I have not seen anybody is providing for an outbound predictive dialing over a cloud, but Aztecs provide you a predictive dialing over a cloud. We can set up any sort of a demo for it. Please share your requirements. Maybe we can set up a demo to see how does it work. So we were talking about that outbound features. We have a predictive dialing, progressive dialing, manual dialing, where you have 3 different options. You can do a voice blasting. That is nothing but robocalling also. Maybe we can say, I mean, you upload all the numbers, the call, I mean, automatically this call can go to a customer. They can receive your message that whatever you have recorded. Then you can also use a filter-based calling, callback scheduling, and reminders. All these features, functionalities will work on outbound features. When it comes to an inbound feature, we have an inbound facility. We can also separately provide you inbound separate and outbound separate, or you would like to have together in one application. Yeah, this is also available together. When it comes to an inbound features, we have automatic call distribution, multi-level IVR, that is completely interactive voice response that you can set it up. Based on the IVR, the calls can be routed to the agents. Skill-based routing. You have any skill-based agents who are available, the calls can be routed to according to their skills, which they can manage to a customer. You can also generate a missed call alert. You can whisper. You can customize call queues also that you can generate it. Not just this is the few features that we are talking about. There are general features also that we have. You can use multiple campaigns, and you can have a real-time monitoring. You will have a call recording system. Completely call record is available. You can also generate agent-wise report. You can have a CRM integration, historical reporting. You can do a call margin and listening. You can also have a blended calling. See, these are all the features, functionalities which is available over a cloud. Maybe one point which I would like to put it over here is, we have a 3 different kind of cloud call centers are available. The models which I'm definitely going to put it across in my next slides, which we have, which is suitable for even a large number, 30-seater and above, 30-seater plus also, that maybe we can provide you these kind of facilities. If the customer is looking for, no, we don't need so much of facility, we need very less facilities and simple based cloud setting, yeah, cloud based call center setup, we also have for that kind of a setup. If somebody needs with the CRM, yeah, we do have with the CRM based cloud based call center solution as well. So to going further, just to tell that the most important thing is on cloud call center is a voice recording. We have a complete voice recording system in our product, so that you need not to worry whatever happened, what exactly happened, that which I would like to see. yeah, you can just log into our application. You have a separate tool for a voice logger. You can find out which agent calls to a which number at what time, what date. You can listen to it, and you can also download of those particular file. And there's a multiple administration option also available. So many people will have a questions that how, if I go for a cloud solution, what will be my DID number? How do I set up a DID number? Where the customer will be calling to a particular number, or when I dial the number, what number will display? Aztecs can offer you everything as a package. When we provide along with the application, we provide along with the PSTN, that is an PRI or a SIP trunks that we can offer you with the DID numbers. We can also provide you the DID number where you can display of the mobile number. Example, any mobile number that you can display. If the people calls to that number, even multiple number, the calls will automatically land it to your agents. It depends on how many agents that you have, how many channels that you purchase. Not only that mobile number, I can also provide you the 140 series number. Even if you wanted to make a call, you wanted to display as in 14 series, we can provide you 14 series where people can understand the call is coming from the call center. Not only that, we can also provide you PRI number or SIP availabilities, their DIDs. Not only one number, if you have a multiple campaign, I can put multiple different campaign DID numbers for a display. So I can provide you a nationwide single number solution for cloud call center. We offer you everything as a package, which you just have to pay and you have to utilize. I hope you will have a query on this. Maybe you can leave any of the questions that you have. We will definitely discuss on that. On going further, so how do I have the rest of the things integration that I can do? Cloud call center, it is not just dialing. See, many people say that after the call, I need to send an SMS. Still, it is possible. We do integrate the SMS integration for any of the calls which you are making, which you are receiving after the call, missed call. At any point of that you would like to send an SMS, we can do an integration with a cloud dialer, which can be possible. You just pay, we will take care of everything. Not only that, we have a WhatsApp integration with the cloud dialer. We can do a cloud dialer WhatsApp integration as well. Not only that, we can do an email integration. We have complete customized solution that we can provide. Now, the most important thing is many of the business people, see, wherever the people who have 30 plus customer, not only 30, maybe 10 plus customer, they would like to have CRM, or many of the customers will be using the CRM. They would like to manage the CRM of their day-to-day data access. They don't want to get into the call center application to see how many calls happen, what exactly with whom discussed, what discussed, and everything. But people need it has to update into the CRM. Aztecs can integrate any of the ERP, any of the CRM can be integrated with a cloud call center. Just to give you a few names that we already integrated with the Salesforce, vTiger, Zoho, Freshdesk, Sugar CRM, Lead Squad, like many this kind of CRMs and ERPs that we are already integrated with the cloud call center. So without any hesitations, ask your customers to let you know that what kind of a CRMs that they have. Not only any branded, many of the people use the CRM which they have inbuilt themselves. Yes, still it is possible. Only thing is we need to have a small discussion with them to understand on what background that they have built a CRM. Based on that, maybe we do an integration also according to that. So over a cloud, see, these all things are possible. Now, when it comes to on a real scenario, many customers would like to have customized the screen for their businesses. Yes, we do make changes according to their requirement. Any of the business that you are running in, we can customize the screen and we can customize the report. We can customize the fields. We can bring the drop downs. We can mix the script. We can make the actions. In the reports, we can add the columns, aggregate, ranges. You tell us that what you need before you start up your call center. We can have a project. We can understand your complete requirement. We can make changes up to date, and you can go ahead with it. It is not only that you have to make changes and you wanted to go for live. You can go live at any point of time whenever you are not running on your call center. We can make the changes, so next day you have everything is ready available on your customized things. Cloud call centers can be used anytime. I mean, completely 24/7 that you can utilize. There is no any timings required to run your telecommunication. The cloud at any point of time that you can log in and you can start making a call, which can give you complete access. Just we wanted to show you that what are the different kind of live monitor dashboards that we have. This is a live monitors that the dashboard that we have, where you can see total answered call, what is the dispositions in a day, how many different kind of dispositions has taken the call, and how many calls happen, how many people have logged in, how many agents are in the call, how many paused agents, how many inbounds and how many outbounds. When you pull out a report, you have on a click away reports are available, how many answered, how many dropped, call time distribution, call terminations, call dispositions, how many was in a queue. So more on this kind of things that you can just a click away that you can see to it. If you wanted to see an agent wise that you would like to see what they have done, each individual agent has how many calls that they have made, what was the peak time, and what is the dispositions that they have done. Even how many agents received the inbound calls, each individual agents received how many calls. Even the pause codes, breakdowns, and then everything that you can see to it in one screen. I was also thinking that maybe I can show you one of our today. I mean, I'm talking about today on this webinar day, one of our customers using our cloud. This is the live screenshot. I don't wanted to take the name who's using our this particular cloud. This is the today's cloud call center agent screen, which I have taken the screenshot at 2:30. You can see that how many people were there. Total agents were 33, calls in 8, paused are 8, and in call 16, there are 8 agents are ready. There are 921 calls were answered. The 629 was dropped. Agent call disposition, you can see there are different disposition. How many disposition has gone into one, about 250. You can also see the talk time distribution. It was in peak hour at 9 to 11. There's a 2 hours. It was the more number of calls happened between 9 to 11. Then it was come down at 1 o'clock. It was completely drop, or maybe it was in a lunchtime. So this is a live scenario where we're using on the cloud screen. So this is how the cloud call center works on Aztecs. I just wanted to put it across that what is that you take away from this webinar. See, many people is thinks that what I get if I go for a cloud, your business will never stop. Okay, wherever that you are, that whatever that you do, still you can receive and make a calls from anywhere, just a click away. Don't hesitate that how do I survive with my business. Cloud call centers will definitely help you out, and especially Aztecs Cloud Center has multiple features and functionalities which can make you uh, available of such technologies, which is everything is in a click away. You can just use a smartphone or a laptop or a tab or a PC, and just you need to have an internet and one DID number to run your call center from home. Any different kind of a sales call, service calls, booking calls can be made. Pay and the use model, increase and decrease the users at any point of time, your scalability, and at any point of time that you can take a call. It is not that, oh my God, I have to tell them to add up the agent, maybe it will take maybe 2 days, 3 days time. No, it hardly takes a few minutes to add up the agents and the channels. With the CRM and without a CRM, this application can be done. You can see who's the caller identification. Existing customer can use the same product over a cloud. If any of your customers are using our products, please tell them that they can use the same product over a cloud, and same features functionalities with the new reports. They need not to have any kind of training required. Once again, they can utilize the same thing availability. As I told you, I have 3 different things. I will also put it across what are the 3 different products that we have. See, on this COVID situation, if you would like to track your person, example, I would request, please mute yourself. I mean, somebody is an unmute. Thank you. See, at this situation, any of your sales people are roaming around. If you would like to see where this guy is all about, what is this guy is doing, maybe I can just take a small example. Take example, anybody would like to take a document collection, and you would like to see that whether that guy is going on this any particular area at this situation. We have a tracking application also. If you buy a cloud call center from us, we will also give you a couple of tracking application absolutely free for 1 month, where you can utilize this for the person who's roaming around outside. You can track him, how many kilometers that he traveled, which area is this there in this guy, lively, that you can monitor that particular guy. Okay, and not only that, we have a call center over completely IVR. If you wanted to have only, I would request somebody is unmute, please mute yourself. This will also disturb to other people. They will not listen to me. So what I wanted to say that we can also run completely, IVR based call center over a cloud. People can leave a message. People can get the update what exactly happening over an IVR integrated with the CRM. If they would like to talk to any of your agents, we can forward the calls to that agent so that they can discuss much more into it. That kind of a solution also is available. Okay. If anybody wants to have a management overview over an app, this app also that we will give it to you free of cost. Free of cost. We have an application as an AST monitor. Any of your higher authority would like to see what exactly happening in the call center, they need not to log into the cloud call center. We can provide them a particular app on their mobile. They just log in with the user ID and the password. They can see how many people are logged in, how many calls are happening, what exactly happened on the particular day that they can see. Maybe I would like to show you a small video here that many people will say that, okay, maybe I have a CRM, if I would like to click a call, how the calls can go, how the calls will land into my mobile. maybe I can put it across that particular video also to you guys. Maybe you can just go through this. So that was a simple video which I wanted to show you guys that how the click to call works. Astix also provide a CRM based cloud call center. You can, if you have a leads inside, you just click the call will automatically connect to the customer, and another call will land into your mobile number, so that you can have any of the discussion. You can update everything into the CRM itself directly. Yeah, I think maybe going further, probably we will share you a couple of videos like this to understand how the cloud works. So when it comes to my next slide, I was talking about that we have a different kind of cloud dialer models. One, we have a Astix cloud dialer model, which has 20 plus users if you wanted to go, where you will have a predictive dialing option with multiple options that whatever that we have discussed. These kind of options are available. Then we have a Ast dial, where even anybody wants to have a start from maybe 3 users, 5 minimum. Basically, that normally we talk about 5 users plus. We have a simple cloud call center dialer. You just require only a smartphone. See, the first product what I was talking about, Ast cloud dialer, this can be used over CRM and please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. So you can use the PC, and you can use the headsets. You can use your mobile for the first product cloud Astix cloud dialer. You can log in into our page, and you can have a same to same product that if you are using already on Astix products. Otherwise, you will have an agent page where you can take all the customer data, or if you already have a data, where you can put it across into the dialer, which will show you with whom you are discussing with. But in Asdial, it's a very simple thing. You will have an app. You can upload all the data. This data will automatically pop up in app. You just click dial, the call will go from your SIM card. And we have Asdial Plus. This Asdial Plus has a CRM inbuilt, which provide you with a smartphone app, which dial over an app, and the call goes from the PSTN. I'm talking about a SIP and a SIP or a PRI. The call will go from the typically a PSTN, not from the SIM card. So we have a 3 different kind of products available here. Any questions, any things that you can write us, you can leave a message. Probably we can discuss over on this particular things. To talk about ourselves, we are ISO certified company. We are the first people to get a TC certified on Astix products as of now in India, where we have bagged a few awards. We have a few clients who are using our product from very long. These are our major customers that which I would like to showcase on. And when it comes to a support, see, this is where we talks about ourselves. Today we are standing around 13 years in the market where we work on 24/7 support. Even for the cloud call center, at any point of time that you need a support, our people are available and just a call away. We can manage automatic backups. We can support proactively. We can manage the things ourselves at any point of time and completely secure with your data and everything. So here we are available at Domru. I hope you guys have find this solution much better. Maybe we can go through over in a chat. Probably you will have any of the questions over here. We have received lots of chats. Okay.
The first question, Manju, is like somebody want to know, can I get all the call center features that is available on premises based solution on the cloud as well?
Okay. Amulya, can you just repeat it once again? Sorry, come again.
Yeah. The first question, somebody is interested to know, can I get all the call center features that is available on a premise-based solution on this cloud solution as well?
Absolutely, Amulya. Definitely it is available. As I told you, we have 3 different approaches. Please mute yourself. I requested multiple times. We can actually discuss with other people as well. So see, unless if you guys will not mute, it's very difficult for other people to listen to me. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Maybe Amulya, maybe one by one, maybe you can go through.
Okay. The next question somebody have asked, like, should I procure my own trunk lines when I choose your cloud contact center?
See, that depends. Maybe I can give you an example. We are at Bangalore. Okay, maybe we have done the setup in Bangalore. But if somebody is coming from Hyderabad, says that I have a PRI, can I use your cloud call center? It's quite difficult. See, technically it's possible. It's possible. Maybe we have to put some hardware into your place, and maybe I can take a call over a cloud. But it is better. You can choose our DIDs. It would be really better. See, the reason is if you put across a server again in your office, again you're going for a cloud. This is a two-way that you wanted to manage, which actually makes you 2 times payable option, which might not be required. When you are getting everything at one point of time, all the DIDs and everything at one point of time. So it will be easy for you to manage your call center with a provider provided the DID numbers and PSTNs. Technically, it is possible. It is absolutely, there's a feasibility is also there, but yeah, you have to shell out some extra money to have this kind of an option. Sure.
Okay, Manju, so conclusion is like, if for whatever reason, if I want, I can do that, but it is not a suggestible architecture because it is a two-way costing. Okay, I think it is clear. Yeah,
exactly.
It is clear who have asked this. Then the next question, Manju, I am moving to. It is Mr. Cherian want to know, will it work in UAE?
See, this depends on country to country. We can set up our cloud call center in UAE also. I mean, that's not a big deal. I mean, see, as of now, it is going from India PSTN. If any of the customer would like to use a cloud call center in UAE, we can do a setup in UAE also. Absolutely possible. we can do a setup. I mean, we can also provide the local PSTN number also, but yeah, as of now, we don't have a PSTN based call center in UAE, but it is possible. If we get at least minimum 50 users or 100 users, yeah, we are actually ready to go ahead and we can set it up in UAE as well. Absolutely possible.
Okay, Mr. Cherian, I think you got your answer. The subsequent question is like multiple inbound calls. Yeah, I think it is very clear. Multiple inbound calls and campaigns can be handled. So the next question is Mr. Wajato want to know, can cloud-based call center be deployed outside India, typically in Nigeria? He want to know.
See, again, see, you have to understand there are two things. One, IP-based, IP to IP-based cloud call center. One is a PSTN-based call center. One is a PSTN to an IP-based call center. See, there are three to four different kind of call centers that we normally talk about. Maybe if you can just write us a mail and what kind of a call centers that you would like to set up. If it is only an IP to IP calling, absolutely, as it already have a solution into it, that definitely we will provide. If the same thing that whatever we are doing over a PSTN calling over a cloud in Nigeria, we can do a setup. Exactly, I was telling to the UAE the thing. Yeah, you have to get the at least required numbers. Maybe we can set it up in UAE, I mean Nigeria as well. Not only Nigeria, anywhere in the world, anywhere in the country, if you wanted to set up for cloud call center, definitely we can definitely work on case to case, and we can bring your local PSTN connectivity with the Aztecs cloud dialer. Absolutely possible.
Okay, that was the answer to Mr. Wajato. Then the next question, Manju, here is, what are the prerequisites at home to start using our cloud call center services?
Fantastic. I think in my last slides also that I have told that what you take away from this webinar, that's only you should have. See, if it is a PSTN based, that I mean, if you are doing this cloud based center in India, as I told you, we have three different products. I can give you over PC or laptop based calling. I can give you only on smartphone based calling. So what you need to have is you need to have a proper internet, you need to have a proper DID, and you need to have a cloud call center available. It is only these three simple things can make your call center ready. Absolutely possible.
Thank you, Manju. The next question, Mr. Bijay want to know, can customer use his existing PRI or SIP with our cloud CCD? I think it is answered before.
It is answered already, yeah.
Okay, yeah, it is answered before. There is a question like, will auto dial also happen on this cloud call center setup?
Definitely. If you, I mean, if you are opting our Aztecs cloud call center, auto dialing can be auto dialing. I mean, predictive dialing, both are same. Yeah, definitely it is possible. We can do that.
Okay, thanks. Next question is, what are the basic requirements for setting up the, I think this is also answered, Mr. Wajato. What are the basic requirements for setting up the cloud-based call center? So this is answered. The next question I am moving to, what is the minimum internet speed required?
Okay. See, when the call which is coming, it is coming to your mobile number. It is coming to your mobile number. Okay, maybe I would like to tell that. See, recently, very recently, that I'm talking about in India, Indian telecommunication law has made that PSTN to an IP to IP to PSTN call landing is absolutely available for till this April. Okay, I think this can be extended for next 1 month due to the lockdown period. So when you are using Aztecs product, we can route the calls directly on your IP connected, I mean your soft phone on your laptop or a PC. So you need not to require any kind of an DID number. I can still forward these calls to on your PC based software. It is absolutely possible. See, that is as per the legal. I mean, we got the confirmation document also from the TRI and the DOT saying that you can still push the calls over a VPN. You can take the calls over an IP. That can be enabled. Otherwise, what you have to have is you need to have any of the landline number where I can transfer the call to that landline number, or any of the mobile number with the mobile where I can transfer the call to a mobile number. I hope you have seen that video when the click to call happened from you. The call, one call is connected to the customer and second call has landed to your mobile. When you pick the call, the customer was in another call. It was saying that the customer that you have called is in another call. So what you need is just a number where you can receive a call. That's it.
I think there is a small thing. See, what is the minimum internet speed required? See, there are what Manju have shown in his slide. Like there are different models how you can use our cloud call center. So absolutely, there are models where there is no internet required because of the DOT relaxation, and otherwise the minimum nominal speed of your mobile itself is sufficient.
Yeah. See,
The next question.
One second, Amulya. Maybe I can say that if you run an international call center, then there is a requirement of a minimum 156 kbps to 312 kbps of internet speed to take a call.
Yeah, that everybody has almost on their.
Everybody knows about it, so just to have a.
Everybody in the data. Yeah. So can I go to the next question? It is being asked, raised by Mr. Ramurthy. Can you offer toll-free numbers?
Come back again, sorry.
Can you offer toll-free numbers? He want to know, can we offer toll-free numbers?
We do offer a toll-free number on additional cost. If you need a toll-free number, we can provide you a toll-free number also that you can put at display. Don't forget that toll-free numbers are charged. Incoming calls will be charged. Plus your channels also get charged. Don't forget that.
Okay, but in case a customer want us only to provide the toll-free, we can provide. Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah. I hope, Mr. Murthy, you got your answer. Again, Mr. Wajato wants to know, like, is the total package, which according to the lecture is inclusive of trunk connectivity, applicable outside India, typically in Nigeria?
Yeah.
Manju, you got the question. Na? The question is, okay, the total package which you have explained according to this webinar or the lecture, is it inclusive the trunk connectivity applicable outside India? And outside India means you want it Nigeria.
No. As of now, it is in India. As I told you that we can set it up in any of the country if we have a good numbers of requirement. However, we are doing it in India. We can also set it up in that particular country. That particular PSTN is absolutely feasible that we can do. As of now, whatever we are providing, it is an Indian-based PSTN number. But if any of your customer would like to make an international calls, yeah, we do have a cloud call center for them also. They can use a VoIP minutes and they can make a call at any point of time.
Okay, there is a next question from Mr. Pratik. Any mobile app also? I didn't exactly understood the question. Any mobile app also? Maybe you can put again your question, sir, so that it will help us to understand your question, what you want to know. This is just given like any mobile app also, so we are keeping it for down. The next question from Ahmedabad region by Mr. Mansukh. Ownership of DID or the mobile number will be of customer or Aztecs?
Aztecs. Absolutely. These numbers cannot be sold. These numbers can be only used.
Okay. And the next question is, what all the WhatsApp integrations possible? Could you please list down?
What all the?
WhatsApp integrations possible?
Okay. See, WhatsApp integration, we have transactional, promotional we don't have. If anybody sees that, okay, I would like to trigger 10,000 numbers at one point of time as a promotion or something, that is not possible because that is banned in WhatsApp. Can you just please mute yourself?
Sumit, can you please put you on mute? Okay, Manju, coming back to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So only transactional messages
Only
can be sent to us.
transactional WhatsApp integration can be done. In this transactional, we have an automated WhatsApp queries. We can have human-based, answered queries. We can send videos. We can send images. We can send documents. You can send unlimited characteristics of messages and everything that you can do.
Okay, fine. Next is, does this work on multi-tenant concept?
Okay, yeah, as I told you, we have 3 different products. 2 different products runs over a multi-tenant. One particular product will have a separate server, separate product that
Dedicated
is
server.
itself dedicated to a customer. So they need not to worry on even for the data. Maybe I can also tell you that the data is absolutely safe and neat. So it is not accessible for anywhere in the outside. It is absolutely safe for you at any point of time.
Karthik want to know, Karthik want to know what is the minimum time required to implement the cloud solution?
We just require maybe 1 day from your whatever the formalities that you have to do.
That's interesting.
Yeah. And at any point of time in 1 day that maybe we can make it and we can give it to you. When it comes to any of the customization, any other integrations, then yeah, I think we need little time, maybe 2 to 3 days. Depends on the scope of work. Yeah, but we can get it done maximum 3 to 4 days, complete setup ready at any point of time.
Okay. Next question is again, can the package be made to include CRM as a total package?
CRM as a total package, absolutely possible. As I told you, on a case to case that we can definitely discuss. If anybody wants to have a CRM also, that we have our own CRM which we can provide. You can utilize that CRM as well.
Okay. I'm trying to go little fast because I think there are still almost 60 plus queries we have to answer or we have to discuss. Okay. So going next, Mr. Harish Well from Delhi region, NCR region, you want to know, like, is there any limitations compared to the normal call center dialer? I think he's trying to compare with our premise-based solution. He just want to know, is there any limitation when we compare to the normal call center dialer setup?
As I told you, Aztecs Cloud Dialer, there is no any difference between your cloud, your premise-based dialer and the cloud dialer. It's both the same. That's what I've also mentioned, that existing customer can utilize the same features functionalities over a cloud. I can give you on a cloud the same features functionalities. There are 2 different
products. So there is no limitations.
There is no,
Majorly there is no limitations. Yeah. Okay. Then does our solution is comparable with other competitions who are offering the same kind of a solution? He have named a couple of competitor also, like Knowlarity or My Operator. Yeah, Mr. Ramurthy's question is, does our solution is comparable with competition like Knowlarity and My Operator?
Okay. See, every competitor will have a different kind of a solution what they have built on. So our product also have 3 different products, as I earlier also mentioned, similar to Knowlarity also that we can provide, similar to Knowlarity also that we can provide. The existing whatever we have Aztecs based products, the call center application products, same also that we can provide. yeah, you can definitely compare it to these people, almost similar, that maybe we can provide it to a customer. But yeah, we will have a different kind of application, all about the looks and feels is all about different from that whatever they uh, feel and functionalities.
Yeah, you can conclude like moreover, same kind as per the customer requirement.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. His next question is, what is the minimum users we can offer? I think it was there in your slide. This is a
Yes.
question
Yeah.
before your slide, which tells about there are 3 models and one starts with minimum of 5 user and 10 user and 20 user. Correct,
Yes.
na?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You tell us that
Okay.
whatever
Again,
features that you need,
yeah.
whichever the way,
Again,
definitely we
the
can.
next question is a repeated question, I believe. Does it support multi-tenancy? I have Manju have already answered to someone else who have asked the same question, so it is answered. Can we use VoIP for international calling? If so, what is the financial package?
This definitely, I don't think so. This is the right time to discuss on this. Absolutely, we have a different packages for our different countries. Please share us an email. Our sales team will definitely help you with understanding pricing and everything on this particular thing.
Okay, okay, but we can use.
We can
His
definitely,
first
we can
question is, can we
absolutely,
use? Okay, okay,
absolutely
okay.
we can
So
use
we
it.
can use.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then Mr. Abhijit want to know, domestic calls within India possible? Is domestic calls within India possible through this setup?
Absolutely.
Yeah. It is
We are talking about
answer.
typically a domestic calling using a PSTN.
Yeah. It is meant for domestic calling. Yeah.
Yes.
I hope Mr. Abhijit, we have answered your query. The next query is there any issue with the Department of Telecom setting up this kind of a setup for domestic calling in India? I think that,
Absolutely no. Absolutely no. There is no any legal issues because the calls are going over PSTN to a PSTN. There is no any PSTN to VoIP. As I told you, if it is a different country, different country have a different kind of rules and regulations with the telecom. When it comes to India, you have no any other problem. You can easily go ahead.
okay. Next question is, if the customer is using a premise-based dialer already with a existing PRI channel, can we provide the cloud solution where only 10 channels he want to divert to the existing PRI and 20 channels he want to use for the premise? Means same PRI line, can it be used? That's what the question.
See, last time also I have told you, if it is a premise-based PRI and you would like to use a cloud dialer, it is possible. You have to buy additional equipment to manage your PRI in your premise space. Then I can connect it to a cloud dialer. That is possible, but you have to shell out some extra money. Absolutely possible.
Yeah. In this question, he is telling already existing like box and PRI is there. That should be a case. Yeah, you can. The answer from us is yes, it can be used. Then the next question is again, will the agents get the user page where they can see all the call details and make a click to call?
Absolutely, page is available. Okay, as I told you, Aztecs Cloud Dialer, you will get the agent page. Typical agent page, you will get it when you put the leads into the page. However, the numbers will pop up onto the agent screen. Absolutely same that you can get it.
Okay, next question is, please, no, this is just a request to put all the participant their mics on mute. Next question, let me go to, it is by Jasim. Does Aztecs Cloud Call Center solution provide a self-service IVR? I mean, he mean it a front-end IVR, yeah.
That's a good question, Jasim. Definitely, we have self-service based IVR. That is also I have discussed in my presentation. You can set up completely IVR based call center setup. Everything will be answered over an IVR. If the customer still wants to discuss with the agent, calls can be routed to the agents at any point of time. Though even they are sitting at home, having their mobile number, landline number, whichever the way, we can transfer the call, they can answer to the customer.
Okay. Next question is from Mr. Yannick. He want this feature like you can see who is the caller, means caller identification. He is comparing it like Truecaller application. Can he see the feature who is the caller?
Absolutely, that's what my in presentation also that I have told you that we can show you who's the caller. Absolutely possible that we can do.
Okay, then next question from Jasim again. Can we streamline the website chat? Okay, can we streamline website chat and email to agent screen?
Yes, it is possible. We have options available where you can have a email integration, chat integration over application. Definitely, we can do that.
This would be again a API or a CLI
We definitely
integration.
require some credentials from the integration. This comes under an integration,
Okay.
and definitely we can pull it over, push it over there. Sure.
But your answer to Jasim is yes, it can be done.
Yes, it can. It can be. It can.
Okay. Then the next question is, does it support an interface with social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc., and other apps like Skype?
We can integrate any of the third-party application, which I have also discussed in earlier. It is possible based on the
Wherever
case to case
API
that we will.
available.
Where, based on the case to case, anything which works over an API, anything which works over an URL, in whichever the way integration can be done.
Next question.
I request people please stop asking questions. Probably I think it's too much of time. Probably among the questions that we have,
Maybe randomly we can pick up 1-2 more questions. Okay, it is not like your questions you can
it is not that I'm
offline.
not going to answer your questions. For sure, I'm going to answer your questions, no doubt. Probably we can also send you a separate email on your questions. I think it is going out of the time. It is already half an hour extra that we have.
So we will
taken.
just pick up 1 or 2 questions more and conclude the session. Manju, is that
Maybe
fine?
You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
Okay. There is Mr. Rajnikant from, I think he's from our Pune region. He wants to know, does Astex provide a DID number to country, state or city specific local number?
Okay. See, on the especially when it comes to a specific local number, it is still possible. We have to work on case to case. If it is more than anything 30 to 50 users, yeah, definitely maybe we can do that. Absolutely fine.
Okay. And there is Mr. Ajit from Unitel. He okay, please send the PPTs. Definitely, sir, we will be sending you the PPTs. Okay. Then Miss Poonam, Cloud Dialer, it is legally we can set up in UAE. I think that also you have answered for Dubai. Then presentation somebody want, please send the PPT mail ID. Okay, we will send, sir. Please send me the PPT. We will definitely send you, sir. What is the maximum of agents can cloud-based call center accommodate?
What is the
maximum number of agents can the cloud call center can accommodate? You have told about minimum, so Mr.
we can accommodate even 1,000 users also. We can provide to 1,000 users also, but don't forget, if you are in India, if it is 1,000 users, then you need to have 2,000 channels for it.
Okay.
There is no any limitation. Limitation can be any number. Any number, as I told you, before itself, case to case, that definitely we can provide you a solution at any number that you guys are asking about.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Manjunath. I would like you add these answers of these questions in the PPT. Then we will understand well our presentation. Okay, right. What are the cost? Cost can be discussed with your concerned team. Okay. So is that okay to Thank you.
Yeah.
This was
Okay.
good
I think a couple
presentation.
of people have their
Yeah,
yeah. Go ahead. Anand.
yeah. I think we have covered most of the questions. Okay.
I think somebody from Brunei, is there any license and can we have a test period demo for a CCS solution? His person name is Esther Ebana. Sabana, I think definitely we have a demo for you. I would request you to share us an email. We will definitely get the demo done to you. As I told you, it depends on a place to place that we need to understand, and we can provide you this. I think
Manju, maybe last question for this webinar, because there are 3 people asked the same thing. It is Jasim, Balan, and others. What are the disaster recovery plans with Aztecs Cloud Center, failover and redundancy?
See, when it comes to cloud call center, we know the situation scenarios very well. So we have made absolutely 24/7 redundancy setup available for all our clients who are using it. And when it comes to a disaster, see, disaster depends on situation that what we call exactly on that particular situation. We are also using one of the standard cloud co-locations to handle these kind of applications. So these are high level cloud centers which at any point of time they will never put you down for your business at any point of time. So we are into in that level, so you need not to worry on that. We have all the disaster recovery, and when it comes to data also, it is absolutely secure, so you can easily go ahead.
I think it is purely over to you, Manju. Questions on the chat we have almost covered.
Right. So if I missed out any of the question and the answer session, please don't feel bad. We are available at any point of time. You can go to our website. You can share your emails to sales@aztecs.com, or maybe you can contact your sales managers. At any point of time, you can send us email. We can answer you or any queries. We'll definitely help you over a call. Thank you very much to all of you for joining this small session and your questions and everything. So very soon we'll meet up with the next webinar soon. Thank you very much, and have a great day ahead.